Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Alim Maths Vlog. So my dear student, today our question is if x to the power 3 is equal to root over of 5 plus 2, then find the value of x square plus 1 over x square. So student, in this video I will tell you how to find the value of x square plus 1 over x square from this algebraic equation. So student, to find the value of x square plus 1 over x square, so first of all we have to find the value of x plus 1 by x from this equation. Then we are able to find the value of x square plus 1 over x square. So my dear student, our given algebraic equation is x to the power 3 is equal to root over of 5 plus 2. So student, we have to find the value of 1 by x cube from this equation. So student, the value of 1 by x cube will be 1 over root over of 5 plus 2. Okay student. So conjugate of root over of 5 plus 2 will be root over of 5 minus 2. Okay student. So we have to do the rationalize of denominator. So that's why we have to multiply numerator and denominator both by conjugate of root over of 5 plus 2. So conjugate of root over of 5 plus 2 will be root over of 5 minus 2. So we have to write in here 1 into root over of 5 minus 2 divided by root over of 5 plus 2 into root over of 5 minus 2. Okay students. So my dear student, after that, in the place of numerator, so we have to write again root over of 5 minus 2 divide by over. So here is root over of 5 plus 2 into root over of 5 minus 2. Okay. So we have to apply the formula. So a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So this formula we have to apply in the place of denominator. Okay, so if you apply this formula, so we have to write in here root over of 5 whole square minus 2 square. Okay student. So my dear student, again in the after that, again we have to write in the place of numerator root over of 5 minus 2 divided by the square of root over of 5. Root over of 5 square means we have to write in here 5, and 2 square means how much? 4. Okay student. So my dear student, after that again we have to write in here root over of 5 minus 2 divided by, so if you subtract 4 from 5 then we get 1. So my dear student, the value of 1 by x cube will be root over of 5 minus 2. Okay student. But my dear student, to find the value of x square plus 1 over x square, so we need to find the value of x plus 1 by x, then we are able to find the value of this algebraic expression. Okay student, the value of 1 by x cube will be root over of 5 minus 2. Okay, so this is the equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So student, to find the value of x plus 1 by x, so we have to add this both equation. Okay, so student, so we have to write in here x cube. So in this equation left hand side there is x to the power 3, and this equation on the left hand side there is 1 by x cube. So my dear student, we have to write in here x to the power 3 plus 1 by x to the power 3. Left side plus left side. Okay, so and in this equation right hand side there is root over of 5 plus 2, and in this equation on the right hand side there is root over of 5 minus 2. So my dear student, on the right hand side we have to write in here root over of 5 plus 2 plus root over of 5 minus 2. Okay student. So my dear student, after that here is plus 2 and minus 2. So we have to cancel both 2. Okay. So my dear student, so on the left hand side in this equation x to the power 3 plus 1 by x to the power 3. So student, we have to apply the formula. Okay. So student, so we have to apply this formula on left hand side of this equation. Okay student. So if you apply this formula on left hand side, then we have to write in here x plus 1 by x whole to the power 3 minus, so here is minus, so we have to write in here minus 3ab. In the place of a is x and in the place of b is 1 by x. So we have to write in here 3 into x into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x is equal to root 5 plus root 5. That means we have to write in here 2 root 5. Okay student. So student, after that we have to write in here x plus 1 by x whole to the power 3 minus x cancel, 3 into x plus, we have to write in here 3 into x plus 1 by x is equal to 2 root 5. Okay student. So my dear student, after that we have to put in the place of x plus 1 by x equal to a. Okay, put x plus 1 by x is equal to a. So my dear student, if you put the value of x plus 1 by x, then the equation will becomes a to the power 3 minus 3a is equal to 2 root 5. Okay student. So my dear student, we have to transpose 2 root 5 from right side to left side. So on the left hand side we have to write in here a to the power 3 minus 3a minus 2 root 5. Okay student. So student, to factorize this algebraic equation, so my dear student, you have to write minus root 5 square plus root 5 square, and we have to break minus 3a. Okay, we have to write in here 5a plus 2a. Okay student. So we have to write in the place of minus 3a, we have to write minus 5a plus 2a. So if you subtract, then again we get minus 3a. Okay, and here is again we have to write 2 root 5 is equal to 0. So student, if you common a square, then we have to write inside this bracket a minus root 5 plus, here is root 5 a square minus 5 a square. 5 means, my dear student, root 5 into root 5. Okay student. So we have to take common root 5 a, and inside this bracket again we have to write in here a minus root 5. So here is 2a minus 2 root 5. So we have to common the digit 2. So we have to write in here 2 into a minus root 5. Okay student. So student, in 3 terms a minus root 5 is available. So that's why we have to take common a minus root 5 from these 3 terms. Okay. So we have to write in here a minus root 5 into, inside we have to write bracket, and inside this bracket we have to write in here a square plus root 5a plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay student. So student, we have to apply the zero product rule. So if you apply the zero product rule, so you have to write in here a minus root 5 is equal to 0, and here we have to write a square plus root 5a plus 2 is equal to 0. So in this equation the value of a will be root 5. Okay student. So a means, my dear student, but we have to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. That's why we have to again put the value of a in this equation. Okay, so the value of a is x plus 1 by x. So we have to write in here x plus 1 by x is equal to root 5. So student, so we have to solve this equation. So before solve this equation, we have to check the discriminant of this equation. Okay, the formula of discriminant is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay student. So we have to put the value of A, B and C in this equation, then you get the discriminant. Okay. So my dear student, to find the value of A, B, C, so we have to compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we have to compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c, okay, equal to 0. So in the place of a, here is no number, that means 1 is present. Okay. So in the place of b there is root 5, and in the place of c here is 2. So a means 1, b means how much? B means how much? Root 5, and c is equal to 2. So we have to put this value in this equation. So here will be root 5 square. Okay, root 5 square minus 4 into the value of a is 1 and the value of c is 2. So root 5 square means 5. 4. So if you multiply 4 into 1 into 2, then you get 8. Okay, student. So it will be minus 3. That means less than 0. So my dear student, the discriminant of this equation is less. So my dear student, the discriminant of this equation is less than 0. That means this equation has no real solution. Okay, student. So my dear student, so that's why you have to take the value of a is equal to root 5. So in the place of a, if you put x plus 1 by x, then the value of x plus 1 by x will be root 5. So student, but we have to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, student. So we have to apply the formula. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So this formula we have to apply in here. Okay. So if you apply this formula, so we have to write in here x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. So x cancel. The value of x plus 1 by x equal to root 5. So we have to put in here. So that means root 5 square minus 2. So square of root 5 is 5 minus, we have to write in here 2. So if you subtract 2 from 5, then you get 3. So my dear student, the value of x square plus 1 by x square will be 3. My dear student, our answer is complete. So if you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.